Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick tutorial. I've got I wanted to install a phone holder in my 2013 Audi A4, and I didn't want a suction cup or a vent phone holder. So Rennline has one that will bolt behind your front vents on the side so it doesn't block your air vent. A little bracket in there, but I didn't like or didn't want the magnetic holding option that came with it. So I found this one. It's a wireless charger that will automatically grip your phone when you place it in there and ungrip when you take it out. So I'm going to figure out how to mount this phone mount to that bracket right there, and then how to install it in the car. So let's open this up. Go the easy route, just use scissors. Alright, so we got our little bracket. Instruction sheets, of course, because everyone needs instructions. Alright, so it's basically just a piece of metal. Looks like it's powder coated or painted, and it is very rigid, very strong. I like it. And looks like it comes with a basic magnetic holder, and that's the one that I didn't really want. So we'll just set that aside. Allen key and the ball mount. So it looks like that would just normally pop in there. Yep, tighten on and on there, and then you mount your phone to it. So that's normal. But we're not going to use that. So let's see, the ball mount goes to the more triangular side. That side mounts in just like that. So set that aside. Open up this other phone holder. Instructions, of course. Suction cup mount we don't want. Suction cup mount we don't want. Vent mount we don't want. That looks like the same kind of ball. Pretty darn close. Let's take a peek. Well, look at that. It's going to be a lot easier than I thought. Let's see if it fits. Huh, it does. Tighten that on. Does it stay in? It sure does. Well, this is a lot easier than I expected. I was thinking I was going to have to make some kind of custom mount to adapt these two together. Alright, well, let's put this together and then get it installed in the car. Tighten that up. Excellent, so that's that together. And it just pops on. That screws on. That fits together really nice. Not too heavy. Alright, now let's install it in the car. Alright, now that we're in the car, so we need to I don't have a factory entertainment system. I have the RS Nav system in here, so my dash has been apart a few times. But basically, this will pull your trim off. Yours might be a little tighter, but mine is too at the moment. There we go. You might not necessarily have to pull it all the way off. You just need to be able to access your vent so it'll slide out without resistance. And there's a few ways you can get that out too. You can either go from the inside here and push it out. Just remember there is a power plug in there as well, so you're not pulling too hard or too far. The other one is with these pull tools, where you reach in the sides and you'll feel it grab in there somewhere. There is a tiny little hole. There it is, that one. And same thing on the other side. This thing can be a pain to pull out. Alright, and there's that plug. We don't need to for this one. We just need to get to that bolt right there. Which I believe is either a 10 or an 8. It is an 8mm. So the 8mm, the only one I don't have in my little toolkit right there. Had to go find one. There we go. Put that through. Put it back on. That fits very nicely in there. Nice and snug. That fits really nice right in there. Hugs the wall very nicely. Alright, let's put this back together. This just slides back in. There we go. That's very, very snug, very secure. And the vent actually does fit in there nicely. Replace your trim. That is very solid. We'll put our little tightening nut on there. Pop this guy on. That actually looks pretty good. Fits nicely. Just gotta tighten it down a little bit more. Oops. My Allen key went loose. I'll have to fix that later. Alright, let's plug this in, see if it all works. And I'll kind of tuck this cord underneath later once I get everything where I want it. Oh, up on its own. Yep, just need to tighten the bolt, but look at that, the phone holder actually holds it right in place, even with it falling down, and it's charging. But this is the S22 Ultra with a full cover case on it, and that's my fault. I didn't tighten the set screw down enough, but the phone holder is holding the phone with it flopping around like that, and it just picks up and out pretty easily, and it opens back up again. Awesome, easy install. Just need to tighten down that last bolt, and we're all set to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.